Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw fruit basket. So let's get started. So I'm starting with making this basket. Make a small semicircle. After the basket I'm drawing this apple like this. Draw it just like the way I'm drawing. Now I'm gonna draw a banana like this. Give a small edge like this and this. Made two bananas. Now making a oval shape to draw a pineapple like this. Now giving the design of the pineapple, make this type of square shape for pineapple. Now we will make the leaves of pineapple like this. Yes, and it's done. It's so easy. Now I'm making one more fruit, that is mango. Yes, and it's done. One more fruit I want to draw. So let's draw grapes. Yes. Now I'm making small circles like this, overlapping circles to make it look more beautiful like this. And it's done. Hey everyone, when you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Enjoy watching. Now I'm making the patterns of the basket to make it look more beautiful. Giving a design of the basket like this to make it look nice. Now drawing is complete, so let's get started with coloring the picture. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.